Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs. Welcome to Narita International Airport, your gateway to Tokyo. Explore our comprehensive guide to arrival and departure procedures, transportation options, terminal maps, shops, restaurants, and more. Whether you're a first-time traveler or a frequent visitor, we have all the essential information you need to navigate Narita Airport with ease. Discover the array of facilities and services available, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable journey to your destination. Welcome to Narita International Airport, your gateway to Tokyo and beyond. As you embark on your journey to Japan, let Narita International Airport be your first welcoming embrace to the land of the rising sun. Nestled amidst the vibrant energy of Tokyo and its surrounding wonders, Narita Airport stands as an iconic symbol of Japanese efficiency, hospitality, and innovation. Discover Japan, explore cultural wonders. Beyond Tokyo's bustling streets lies a tapestry of cultural wonders waiting to be explored. Let Narita Airport be your gateway to Japan's awe-inspiring landscapes, ancient temples, and culinary delights. Whether you're embarking on a spiritual journey to Kyoto, immersing yourself in the natural beauty of Hokkaido, or experiencing the vibrant culture of Osaka. Discover Japan, explore cultural wonders. Beyond Tokyo's bustling streets lies a tapestry of cultural wonders waiting to be explored. Let Narita Airport be your gateway to Japan's awe-inspiring landscapes, ancient temples, and culinary delights. Whether you're embarking on a spiritual journey to Kyoto, immersing yourself in the natural beauty of Hokkaido, or experiencing the vibrant culture of Osaka. Please like, share, and subscribe. Let Narita Airport be the starting point for your unforgettable journey, providing convenient and efficient access to all corners of Japan. With comprehensive travel assistance and a host of amenities, your adventure begins the moment you land at Narita. Discover the true essence of Japan and create lasting memories with Narita Airport as your trusted travel companion. Tokyo has two airports, Narita International Airport, Narita KKK NRT, which handles a large number of international flights as well as domestic and international flights by many low-budget airlines. And the more centrally located Haneda Airport, HND, which handles the city's main share of domestic traffic and an increasing number of international flights. Narita Airport, formerly also known as New Tokyo International Airport, is located in the city of Narita in Chiba Prefecture. About 60 kilometers outside of Tokyo, it consists of 3 terminal buildings, Terminal 1, Terminal 2, and Terminal 3. Terminal 1 and 2 each have a railway station in their respective basements. Terminal 3 serves low-budget airlines and is connected with Terminal 2 by a pedestrian walkway. Free shuttle buses operate between all three terminals. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. The most comfortable way of travel between Narita Airport and Tokyo Station is the Junior Narita Express Nex. The one-way journey takes roughly 1 hour, costs 3,140 yen, and is fully covered by the Japan Rail Pass, Junior Tokyo Wide Area Pass, and some other junior passes. There are departures every 30 to 60 minutes. The next Tokyo round-trip ticket for 5,200 yen provides foreign travelers with a discounted round trip from the airport into Tokyo and back within a 2-week period. The Junior Sobu Line Rapid service is the slower but cheaper junior alternative to the Narita Express. The one-way trip takes roughly 90 minutes and costs 1,410 yen. There is about 1 departure per hour. Seat reservations are not possible. Take the Kaisei Skyliner from Narita Airport to Napori Station about 40 minutes, 2,580 yen, and transfer to the Junior Yamanote Line or Junior Keihin Tohoku Line to get to Tokyo Station 10 minutes, 200 yen. There are connections every 20 to 40 minutes. All seats on the Skyliner are reserved. International tourists can ride the Skyliner for just 2,310 yen with the Skyliner discount ticket, which needs to be purchased in advance online or via a travel agent outside of Japan. Please do watch our other travel tour series. Take the Kaisei Main Line from Narita Airport to Napori Station about 75 to 90 minutes, 1,060 yen. One transfer along the way may be required and transfer to the Junior Yamanote Line or Junior Keihin Tohoku Line to get to Tokyo Station 10 minutes, 200 yen. There are multiple connections per hour. Seat reservations are not possible. Airport Bus Tayo and RT buses operate multiple times per hour between Narita Airport, Tokyo Station, and Ginza Station. The one-way fare is 1,500 yen during the day and 3,000 yen for late night and early morning departures. What to see around Narita Airport? Narita Airport is located 60 kilometers or a 1-hour train ride outside of central Tokyo. When planning a short excursion into central Tokyo, you should allot at least 3 hours for the train trip in and out of the city and check the schedule for your return trip in advance. There are also a few points of interest in the vicinity of the airport itself, including Naritazen, a large and popular temple complex in Narita City. An excursion from the airport to Naritazen requires at least 3 hours to be on the safe side. See the Narita section for details on other attractions around the airport. Have you been to Tokyo, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Means of access to from Narita Airport. Bus. About 1,500 to 3,500 yen, 60 to 90 minutes to central Tokyo. Several bus companies offer connections to various places in the Tokyo area and neighboring prefectures, including direct connections to major hotels across central Tokyo. Conventional limousine buses cost around 3,000 yen one way, while several cheaper bus services offer one-way fares of around 1,500 yen. Taxi. About 30,000 yen, 60 to 90 minutes to central Tokyo. Because Narita Airport is located about 60 kilometers outside of Tokyo, a taxi ride into central Tokyo is very expensive and not recommended to common travelers. Airport transfers from around 15,000 yen, 60 to 90 minutes to central Tokyo. There exists a wide range of private and shared airport transfer services for transport from and to Narita Airport. Many include meet and greet services and English-speaking drivers. Among the travel websites allowing for reservations of such services with instant confirmation is Klook. Kaisei, Kikyu Narita Haneda Express. About 1,500 yen, 60 minutes to Haneda Airport, departures every 40 minutes. Some express trains directly connect Narita Airport to Tokyo's other airport, Haneda Airport via the Narita Sky Access Line, Asakusa Subway Line, and Kikyu Airport Line. Along the way, they stop several times in central Tokyo, including Asakusa, Ginza, and Shinagawa. Seat reservations are not possible. Thank you for watching.